Chef here, just working on a salad. Thought I'd share with you a real quick garnish. I'm using the titanium blue chef knife. Really sweet. I've got this multicolored carrot. Just doing a quick batonette cut like this. The knife's razor sharp, cuts right through it. Nice consistent cuts. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. Grape tomatoes, and I'm using the blue knife again. Show you how it cuts right here. Look at that. Right through the tough tomato skins. Very easily. And these little grape tomatoes are quite nice in the summer. I suggest you seek them out. They come in different colors, different sizes, different shapes. You can go in half. They look really cool. You can go in quarters, whatever floats your boat. It looks good, but I just wanted to share with you a couple of tips. These darker ones are super good. Antioxidants, really good for you. Yeah, got the tomatoes going here in the salad. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. There. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Get the tomatoes in there. And then you use a pair of tongs and start adding all of your necessities. Oh yeah, what do we got here? Truffle oil. See that truffle in there? Extra virgin olive oil with a truffle. Oh yeah, a little of that. Pink sea salt. Yep. Fresh ground black pepper. Splash of gold balsamic. Oh, wow, smells so good. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, yeah. Mixed baby greens, sliced zucchini, multicolored carrots, raspberry truffle, balsamic vinaigrette. Couple of tomato supremes there. A little bit of these carrots. Touch of gorgonzola cheese. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Maybe a little bit of sourdough bread with some roasted garlic there as well. Check out the channel. Check out the knives. Wow, it's the good stuff. Get the knives, get the butcher block, support your sponsor, and more videos are going to keep coming. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. beeswax, let's see, unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. To finish loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. To apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment, okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basils looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.